stable. Since molecules can be of different densities, this speed is important. If you take 3 divided by 2 squared times the vortex of the base rotation, we are able to calculate the speed at which the molecule disintegrates. While Newton's 7th law of physics still applies to the mass lost in disintegration, it holds little application to the processing of neutrons to particle matter. Newton failed to compensate for pasteurization of the particles to solid form. Because of this, nanites in the coaxial defibrillator devoured all of his bandwidth. Storing protons near the dense core of the particles makes rotation take place on a nuclear level. It can be hazardous to perform such an experiment without proper safety devices. Determining the levels of resin compound mixture is actually quite simple. Subtract the mass of the sub-base formula from the original form state and add 5 times the functionality measurement from your previous calculations of core structural density, plus 2. This will leave you with the quotient that seems infinitesimal, though actually the form will be cut off exponentially. Multiplying this base Ranka! Ranka, come and see here! Ranka, come over here! Ranka, has you been watching the batch?
Yes, master.
Then, what is this?
The ergo stabilizer.
This is turned yellow from overstabilization!
Ah!
Ranka, my books! Eureka! I, Professor Kirsten von Weidelstein, have discovered it! Ranka, to the bicycle garage! Riker, will you quit fooling around? Get on the bike! Pedal, Riker! Pedal the goddamn bike! Riker! You think you could help out?
But Master, my feet don't reach the pedals.
Now, Riker, I want you to stay here, stay quiet, and keep out of the trouble.
Tendee ibada hii na wakaribisha sasa, jitokezeni mtende Who goes there?
I, Kirsten von Weinelstein. You owe me a great debt.
What can I do for you?
I require a nanny goat.
And what do you offer? Chicken for a prize possession?
Prize possession, boy. We got more goats than we know what to do with. I'm tired of eating goat for supper. Take the poultry. We can use the bones.
You think I like chicken cause I'm a shaman? Very well then. Lucky guess.
What the hell is he doing?
Quiet, child. It's the ancient art of the voodoo. The chicken has deep ties to the soul. He must figure out which goat he's going to give ya.
Maroho Yamenena. The spirits have spoken. Give him what he wants.
Come with me, child.
Stop fooling around! Riker, this is with mad goat's milk. At long last, my finest creation is complete. I, Kirsten von Weinelstein, have created it. The missing ingredient to my perfect Lindenstein baby. Fortified mad goat's cheese.
Come one, come all, now don't be shy. Come see the show, the end is nigh. Come in, don't be afraid. The show begins with a grand parade. Freaks and frights of every kind, guaranteed to blow your mind. Behold the greatest show on earth. Come in and get your dollar's worth. Come see the human animal, a beast by rights and cannibal. Not so you say, it's well defined. The cruelest beasts possess a mind. You see, good sirs, you've been deceived. It's not at all as you believe. This creature here was born of hell, knew the truth and knew it well.
An entertainment of this scope demands its price from pauper and pope. No IOUs and credits rejected, only your soul and your sanity accepted. Send in the lions, send in the geeks, send in the dwarves and send in the freaks. Arm them with knives, arm them with axes, arm them with scalpels to exact their taxes. An entertainment of this kind takes its toll on heart and mind. No IOUs and credits rejected, only your soul and your sanity accepted.